to you all. My name is P. Pujita. I am studying 9th class A2. Now I am going to tell about both model of an atom. Now I am taking the chlorine. Atomic number is atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electron distribution of chlorine 2, 4, 8, 7. First station is occupied Station occupied the 2 electrons and the L shell occupied 8 electrons and the last shell occupied 7 electrons. Hence the valency is last shell containing 7 electrons. 7 electrons greater than 4. The subtracting the number of 8 minus 1 is 1. So the valence is 1. Thank you.